Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways to generate quick and easy layouts: auto layout and manual puzzle piecing. Let's look at auto layout first. So one tactic you can use is creating a space within a floor plate itself and applying one of your design catalogs to the space and just letting Skema evenly distribute all your design catalog elements within that space, creating a layout. Now, to take it a step further, I can go into this layout and edit some of the distribution or metrics of all the elements within the catalog itself. For example, I want to keep studios at, say, 20%. Let's keep one bedrooms at 20%, but you can have multiple elements under one classification. So to churn ones off that I do not want distributed in this generation, for example, one bedroom interior corner units, I can churn these off by selecting this checkbox. I can churn off any other elements, and I can alter a mix of a different one. So for example, if I have a pro forma and I want my 3-bedroom distribution to be at, say, 60%, I can put in that exact distribution metric and redistribute all the elements in my layout to generate a new layout on my floor plan. Another layout approach is to bring in or drag in elements directly from your catalog into your floor plate. And by doing this, you can be very specific about which elements go where on your floor plate, and you can start to really design and puzzle piece your layouts together. And utilizing both of these approaches, you can create quick and comprehensive layouts in Skema using your design catalog.